Hello everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel Greet Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and happy. So if you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. If you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing, thank you for the support guys. So in the description box below I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is yes or no question. Okay, so yes or no answer to any of your questions. Okay, so you can ask one or two or how many you want. Okay, that's up to you. And so I have 4 groups. Okay, I have 4 groups, and remember this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. So I have pulled out 4 charms for each of this group. Okay, so I'll be incorporating this also in the reading. So let's see, this is the first group, the hummingbird. I just call it as a hummingbird charm. Okay, for my group 1, it's small I know, but please. Okay, so this is the charm. I wanted to do like this only, so this is for my group 1s, and this is for my group 2, the wheel, group 2 wheel. Okay, and group 3, this is my letting go of attachment charm. Okay, so I just call it like this. So yeah, this is my 3rd group, and then 4th group is like this, love me. Okay, so I'll show you again. I thought, okay, love me, love me. Okay, so close your eyes, relax your mind, and meditate on your question and select a charm accordingly. Okay, so if you want more time, please go ahead and pause the video and take your time and just select one charm for one question. Okay, you can ask any other question and select another charm also. So so yeah, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Remember, general reading, it's a general reading, so take what resonates, leave the rest behind. So, and the timestamps will be in the description box below, so you can go ahead and watch your reading. Okay, so let's start with this charm. The first charm, this is like this hummingbird. So I feel for many of you, you need to bring more joy into your life, more happiness into your life. Sometimes it's important to see happiness in small things. It's not always the big things. Okay, it's the small things in life. If someone is giving you a compliment, be happy with that. Okay, don't be like, oh, they're just saying for nothing. Don't do that. Okay, so sometimes it's important to appreciate yourself also and be happy with the small things in your life. Or if anyone does something for you, be happy, be grateful for that. I feel like that, and it's also a miracle. So I feel like it's I feel believing is seeing. When you believe, then only you will see. So that is also important. You need to believe more, you need to trust more. I feel for this group. So let's see what is your answer, yes or no answer for your question. Okay, so let's see for my group 1, please divine spirit guides, thank you for the answer. Okay, you're ready. Okay, you're ready. You're ready. Go forward for this. Okay, yes. Okay, just you're ready, just go, don't stop, go. They're not giving a yes or no, they're just saying that you have every resources that you want to do in your life. Just go with it because you're ready. Okay, you're ready to achieve that. So what is it? Extra guidance, helpful people. Okay, so in this journey you are gonna meet helpful people in your life. Okay, so they will be helping you, and maybe it's about divine also. You need to connect more with yourself, with your higher self, and you will get the answers. I feel it's time to go for what you want. You're ready, you have all the resources. What are you waiting for? Okay, what are you waiting for? They ask me. There are so many people also that will come and help you. Okay, so if you're feeling that no one is there, so I feel this is like your divine saying that connect with your divine, connect with your higher self. You will get the inner guidance for this. So just keep moving forward. You have everything in your hand. What are you thinking about? Why are you not taking action? Just go forward. You have this, I feel this fire, the passion you have inside, you have that. Just go forward. Okay, I feel this is like Isis, the magic manifestations. You will manifest everything you desire. I feel like that is also coming here. You have the power, you're ready. What are you waiting for? That is what is coming again and again. Okay, so yeah, just go for it. Okay, just go for it. So let's see. And I said believing is seeing. So if you believe, so that is what this manifestation also is here. When you believe in your manifestations, when you believe that you can achieve, then only you will achieve. Okay, so that is also here coming. So And I need you, I think for many of you, you need focus also. You need to focus on what you want to achieve, okay? You cannot procrastinate. Now you're ready, you need to keep moving forward. I feel that is also there, okay? So yeah, there are many people here. Look at that, so many people are there, and I feel this is an angel. She's helping you with it. So your angels are also there. There are many people helping you. There are helpful people, okay? This journey you will meet many. I feel like that. Okay, so maybe friends. Okay, you got Empress and Temperance. Okay, Temperance, and yeah, I'm pulling out the cards on camera so you know that. Okay, so, and Temperance is about, I feel the angel, Archangel Michael is with you. They are supporting you in this journey, okay? You need to believe in them and call upon them. If you believe in them, call upon them. They will be helping you maintaining the balance. And remember, everything happens at the correct timing. I feel that's going on with every time when we do this yes or no, it's about divine timing. They don't give you give a correct time also. They tell, you know, when you are ready, you will receive it, because it's about your own energy. You need to flow. But you will be this Empress. You're very, very creative, okay? You're very, very creative. Work on that creative ideas. They're saying to work on that creative idea. What is your passion? Just go forward. You will meet helpful people. When you move forward, when you're ready, you feel like just keep on moving forward, because you have every resource in your hand and you can manifest anything you desire to manifest. So whether it's a person, whether it's a creative idea, whatever the situation is for you, there are helpful people that will help you in this journey, and you need to maintain a balance also. Sometimes we overthink. We tend to overthink, and we don't connect with our higher self. You need to connect with your higher self more, I feel, for this pile. That is also important. And as I said with this hummingbird, you need to believe in things. When you believe in things, then only you will see. Believing is seeing. I feel you need to do that affirmation also. Believing is seeing. When you believe in small things, when you find the joy, then you will be able to achieve whatever you want in your life, okay? So sometimes we always look for the bigger things in our life, right? And we just don't see the small happiness we have in our life. You need to be you need to be more grateful for the small things also you have in your life. I feel there is a lack of gratitude. I don't know, I'm getting that also. Or maybe there are people in your life you don't appreciate them also, so you need to appreciate them also more. I feel like that you don't do that. I don't know why, okay? If this message is not resonating for you, that means it's not for you. I feel for some of you it's there, okay? That's why it is coming. Okay, so let's see one more card for your guidance. So this is the last. What is the guidance for this? Let's see. There's the guidance for my group number 1, the hummingbird group. Guidance, divine, give them a guidance. What is the advice or guidance? Okay, we have this yin energy, the number 2, okay? So I feel like that. So you need to connect with your divine feminine, with your intuition, okay? So that is also important here. I feel like that, okay? I said you need to connect more with your higher self, isn't it? With your angels, because angels are protecting you. They are giving you answers. You need to connect with your higher self more and more. You need to see that small things, signs. You might receive that signs, okay? So you're not focusing on that, you're just ignoring that. I feel like that. And if the number 2 is like the balance is coming with this 14 also, this temperance also, balance will come to your life. You need to balance your divine masculine and divine feminine also. Maybe you are just like putting action. You don't you're not getting inside yourself and connecting with your higher self. You're not trusting your intuition. I feel like that. You need to trust your intuition, because your intuition provides you greater ideas. You need to do that also, okay? So that is the guidance here. You need to connect with your divine feminine, with your intuition, okay? And when you do that, I feel this pile will be very abundant also. But you are not seeing, you're not seeing the signs. The angels are sending you signs, you're not seeing, because you're so in this divine masculine energy. Okay, so that is what I feel. For many of you, maybe there will be balance coming here with this divine masculine and divine feminine. You need to work on that. You need to connect with yourself, you need to meditate, you need to ground yourself. Okay, when you ground yourself, your energy, then you will receive all the blessings. Okay, so yes, you're ready, you need to move forward with all the things you are focusing on, but I feel there is a lack of connection with your higher self, with your intuition. You need to do that more and see small things, happiness in small things. Gratitude, okay, for this pile. So if you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment, or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. So hello my group 2 who chose this wheel. Let's see what is the answer to your question. Okay, so it's a yes or a no or whatever it's coming. Let's see, maybe it's a timing power or something. Let's see. For my group 2s, what is divine, their answer? Yes or no? What is their answer? What is their answer? Okay, you got one. There's something better. Okay, so this is not the case, there's something better coming towards you. Okay, so maybe the thing you're asking is not gonna happen, but something more nicer, something more better. Okay, so like, yeah, so maybe it's a no for now, but something more better is coming. Okay, so that's good, right? So you may get surprised what's happening. I feel like that. Romance. Okay, so okay, for if you are asking about a relationship or something, so maybe this is not the person. If you're asking if you're single or something like that, that's coming here, one message. So there's something better coming. Okay, with this romance, and I feel it's you might be hoping for something and something else will happen, and that will make you more happy because there's something better coming. I feel like that, and this romance is definitely in the cards. So if you're single, yes, something better, something more that is good for you, that is coming into your life. And with this wheel, your wheel of fortune, the wheel is turning. Okay, so so if you're asking about a person, so maybe this is not the one. Okay, because there's someone that is more good for you, that is coming. Okay, and I feel for this pile, you need to take power in your hands. You need to be more confident about yourself. If you have this lack of confidence, you need to be confident in whatever you say or how you present yourself to others. You need to be confident also. I feel like that with the solar plexus chakra. And yes, there is someone coming with these flowers. I feel like that. Okay, for this group, and I feel like the angel has so many flowers. So yeah, someone better is coming, or something better, whatever this career option or anything, there is something better that will make you more empowered. I feel like that. So the situation is, right now you will feel why this is not happening, why this is a no, but I feel like that when this thing will come, you will be like, oh, that's happened for this reason, and wow, thank God that what I hoped for didn't happen. This is more better than that. Maybe that kind of energy is coming here. Okay, so yes, you need to trust. Okay, yeah, wow, something better you will get, because you're meant to have better things in your life. Maybe this is a lesson you're learning to take your power back. Okay, so that's why for some of you, yes, that is also the thing. Maybe the career you are asking for, you have more potential. You need to know your worth also. I feel like that you need to know that you have power. You can take the driver's seat. You don't have to be the passenger all the time. Okay, so what else with this tarot cards? Let's see for my group number 2 people. Okay, you got only one card. Okay, so the Emperor. Yes, Emperor. Okay, maybe someone new is coming into your life who is of a sign of Aries, and this person might not be that kind of person you are thinking, maybe different, but that they are, they will be better for you, or something like that is coming here. Okay, with this romance over here. And for some of you, you are taking your as I said, taking your power back, and this Emperor is also about that, taking action, moving forward with your goals and dreams, and not thinking that you will not achieve. This Emperor is someone who has a high position, right? You will be also like that. You will be in this higher position where you can make decisions for yourself. You're not controlled by anyone else. You make your own decisions. Okay, so you will be in this path. So that's why this is not happening. Okay, there's something better. So this is a no for now, but I feel this no is good for you. Okay, right? So that is for my group 2s. So we will take additional guidance, okay, from this Wisdom of Oracle deck for group number 2. What is the additional guidance for this group, Divine, for group number 2? You know, everything happens for a reason. If something is not happening, it's not meant to be, okay? And because because I feel you're blessed, that's why something more nicer will come to you. And why are you thinking that you're meant for only this? Maybe it's your limiting beliefs that you can only achieve this much, and Divine is saying no, you can achieve more things, good things in your life, more good people to your life, or more personal power, or more more success in your life. I feel like that also is coming. Maybe you're putting yourself in a cage. No, it's not the time for that. It's time to drive the car, you know. That's kind of energy I'm getting from you. So let's see what is the additional guidance for this pile. Okay, you got one. Yeah, truth is coming out. So you will know who is good for you, who is not good for you with this all card. I feel your intuition is also going to be stronger here. I feel like that the divine, you know, maybe your thoughts, your illusions are fading away. You're getting aligned with the divine, and you know why this is all happening. It's all happening for a reason. It's all happening for your own better, for your, you know, so that you can have a better life. And all the mask is lifting away, your own mask, you know. Sometimes we wear a mask and it's going away, and the people mask is going away. So you know why this is all happening. It's happening for a reason only. So the truth is coming, the clarity is coming. And for this also, you know, there's something better. You will know, you will definitely know why that didn't happen, because that was not meant to be, and something more nicer, something more good, and that clarity will come to you, okay? So the divine is telling you to trust and just follow your bliss. And I feel all the piles have this, to follow their bliss and to trust the universe, okay? So yeah, for now it's a no, okay? So that's all I have for group number 2. If you like my reading, give it a subscribe, like, comment, or share. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care. So group number 3, with this let go charm, you need to let go something, okay? So let's see what is your answer, yes or a no. Okay, yes or no for my group 3 to that question. What's a yes or a no? Yes or a no? Yes or a no for my group 3s. Say yes or a no for my group 3. Divine Spirit guys, please give me a card. Thank you. Yes or no for group 3s. What is the answer for yes or no for? Okay, what do you got? Let's see. Oh God, perfect timing. Okay, so yes, I feel everything is gonna happen at the correct time, at the correct phase, okay? So I feel you have let go something in your life and you're moving forward. That's why they're telling it's a perfect time and everything is gonna happen at the divine timing. So I feel this is a yes, okay? But yeah, perfect timing means I feel divine timing, okay? Yes, look at, you got abundance. Wow. So whatever is this is going to happen at the correct timing, because you have worked on yourself. You have worked on yourself, you have healed, you have let go of the past, you're moving forward, and that's why this will come at the correct timing, at the divine timing, and this will bring a lot of abundance to your life. Okay, so that's a good one. This is a yes, I feel like that. But yeah, divine timing, they're not giving a timing and all because it's a divine timing, but it's definitely a yes, okay, for this guy, because you have worked hard. Your heart chakra is I feel your heart chakra is healed, and that's why you have put a lot of effort. And yes, it's a yes, okay? So what else for this group, for my group number 3? Okay, my God, for group number 3 we got 3 cards, and I will take, because I was just taking one. Yes, balance. Okay, balance is coming into your life with this 14 number, temperance. Okay, I feel Archangel Michael is also blessing you with your healing and with your stability, with your security. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. If you are asking about finances, I feel you will be abundant. Okay, you will have the abundance, you will have the opportunity, emotional, emotionally you will be satisfied, financially you will be satisfied, but all that will happen at the correct timing, at the divine timing. And with this card also, temperance is also about divine timing. I feel like that, right? So yes, everything is going to happen at the divine timing. Okay, you don't have to stress about it. Yes, it's a yes. So Yes, I told you, letting go something. Look at that, how the cards come. You're letting go. You have let go the situation. That's why you're moving forward. You need to let. So I feel for many of you, I told you, you have let go the situation. You have let go the attachment, and now you're the Empress. Look at that. This is beautiful. You're going to be very, very creative because you have let go something that was not good for you. And finally you are in balance. Everything will happen at the divine timing. You are like the Empress with this green color, the abundance. Abundance is lot. So yes, you are going to be very, very happy, very, very abundant. Emotionally you will be satisfied, financially you will be satisfied, you will be very, very creative also. So if you're asking about something creative, yes, that is also yes. It's a yes, definite yes, because you have worked hard, you have opened your heart chakra. I feel like that with this green color also, and you will receive, everything will come at the divine timing. Though there is no timing, they're not giving the timing, but yes, it's gonna happen, guys. Wow. Okay, so what is the extra guidance for you guys? Let's see. I'll just note for my group 3, what is the guidance divine? Yes, your time to go to the door. The doors are gonna open. Okay, time to go, time to let go of the situation and move forward. Okay, so yes, I feel many of you are moving forward, and when you move forward, so if you haven't let go of a situation, if I feel many of you have moved, this is like 8 of Cups energy, and this is also, I feel, just time to go to a new direction, right? So many of you have let go of the past, let go of a situation. You're moving forward with something new, and if you haven't, you will be moving soon. And I don't know what is your question is. It might be about a relationship or a career. So whatever it is a yes. Okay, you have let go of the past, you are moving in a new direction, and this new direction is the right path for you. Okay, and this new path is gonna bring you abundance in your life, financial abundance, okay, and balance, and you will be happy. Emotionally you will be satisfied. So yeah, wow, okay, it's all good. Okay, so don't worry, everything is gonna happen at the divine timing. For group number 3, if you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Hello my group 4s with this love me. So I feel self-love is important for you guys. Okay, self-love, you need to love yourself more. With this charm, I feel maybe you are just in this process of loving yourself more and more. So divine is saying just love yourself more and more. When you felt you love yourself more, just keep loving yourself. Okay, so let's see what is the answer to your question, yes or no, for my group number 4. Whether it's a yes, whether it's a no, what is their answer, divine? Okay, oh my god, you got a yes. Yes, you got a yes. So yes, it's a yes. Okay. It's a yes. So let's see what else, extra guidance for you guys for number 4. Okay, I'll just do once more. For a romance, it's a yes. Okay, romance just came, but I'll take one more because I feel like taking another card. Okay, yeah, if you believe, look at that, it's about you. Look at that. If you believe, you will achieve it. Okay, no one is going to stop you from achieving whatever you want in your life. If you believe, it's a yes. Okay, if you're in this energy where you will be feeling that you're not worthy, you don't love yourself, you are like blah blah blah, then it's not a yes. Okay, so if you believe in yourself, if you love yourself, if you believe that I can do this, okay, if you believe that I have the power, I have the talent, yes, I'm gonna keep moving forward, I'm gonna push forward, I'm just gonna make my dreams successful, like that kind of energy, if you're in, yes, definite yes. Okay, you got a yes. So yeah, let's see with this tarot what extra. So you need to believe in yourself, you need to have faith in yourself, you need to believe in your talents. Okay, and when you do that, yes, definitely you will. And that's why you got this charm also, love me. You need to self-love, you need to love yourself and know that you're worthy, and don't put yourself in a cage or limiting. Sometimes we do that. We believe that we are not meant for high success. Don't do that. Okay, so whatever your situation is, you need to believe in yourself. Okay, we got the joy card. Yes, it's the time. Okay, you got 4 cards. Oh my god. So let's see what else is coming here. transformation. Okay, so yes, I feel many of you are transforming to a complete new person. In the past, you were not trusting yourself. You felt you felt like that you don't fit in this world, and finally you're realizing that you also have power. Finally you're realizing that you're realizing your self-worth, and you know that you're meant to do something in this world, and you're loving yourself more and more and more each day. I feel like that. Wow, that's beautiful. If you're doing that, if it's resonating and you're doing a good job, look. Yes, finally you're letting go of something and moving forward in your life. You're seeing things in from a different perspective, because you're growing from inside. Your inner growth is also growing. You're growing as a person, and following your bliss. I feel like that, following your own path and believing in yourself. If you believe that, so that is also coming here. If you believe, you will get it, and you will be happy. With this joy card also, like, yes, celebration card. So of course, yes, I feel many of you are letting go of this conflict here, right? Finally you're letting go of your conflicts. Finally you're getting out of that head and thinking, yes, I can do this, I am able to achieve this, I have this power, I'm meant to do this, I have this talent, I'm going to transform myself, I'm going to transform my life. So many of you are getting out of the situation. So if you are in this situation right now where you're thinking about that I'll not be able to do this, I'm not worthy enough, then it is not going to be. Okay, it will not be a yes. But if you get out of this conflict, if you think that you can do it, if you believe in yourself, and if you trust the divine, if you keep transforming, keep putting in effort, and letting go of the people that are not good for you, letting go of the situation that is not good for you, and following your heart and following your intuition, and loving yourself, caring for yourself, being nurturing yourself, then of course it's a yes. Okay, so if you're in the situation, conflict situation, and thinking that how I'm gonna do, I'm not capable, and you're feeling weak, and you feel that you're controlled by someone else, then you're not controlled by anyone. You're controlled by your own thoughts, your own ideas, your own limiting beliefs. With this card, I have to say that. Okay, so it's up to you. It's up to you if you want to do it. If you believe, yes, you can achieve it. That's the answer here. Okay, so what is the guidance for my group 4 here? The Love Me group. Love me like you do. Something like that. That song. I don't know why that is coming. So, yeah. Okay, the last card for my group 4s. What is the guidance for them? Divine. Okay. Divine timing. The last group also was about divine timing. This is also that. Don't rush. Just, it's a yes, okay, but they're not giving a timing. They don't give a timing. Timing is something they don't give. I feel like that's very hard. I feel for the third group also, they didn't give. But everything happens with the divine timing. You don't have to stress about it. Just keep going forward. Okay, you're transforming. Your inner work is like, you're doing a lot of inner work. Many of you are doing a lot of inner work, and you're believing in yourself, you're trusting in yourself, you're changing as a person. Okay, and that's very good. Many of you are getting out of the situation of conflict, and everything will happen at the divine timing. And when you keep this energy intact, when you believe in yourself and have faith and be happy, and do and find peace in what you're doing, and be happy about it in relationship or whatever it is, the energy will flow, and and it will come at the perfect timing, and you will be very, very happy. I feel like that. So it's a yes for this group also. Okay, so if you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment, or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care.